best of their opponent. This is brutal. Oh, my goodness. And countouts are legal, so hopefully this will be a short trip outside. Got him. Looking for more damage here. Release back suplex. Drop. Piercing. Punch. Driven into the barricade. Ooh, that's how you dominate kick. Oh, right to the chest. Oh, barbaric amount of stops. And he's soundly taking control here. Yeah, he is being steadfast in his approach. Superhuman. He's heading back to the ring. The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side. Outside of the ring now. What's the plan here? Perhaps thinking about what to do next here. Oh, my goodness. Barricade. Stretching and tearing at all the ligaments in the leg. These consecutive attacks have him reeling. Yeah, he's hitting a brick wall here. Oh, stomping away. Strikes with a kick. That stretch could lead to a snap. He's absorbing some tough hits now. Well, all things considered, Cole, it's not a bad condition to be in at this point in the match. He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone. Piercing the throat. Slam. What power. What dominance. An imposing array of offense from him here. Yeah, it seems like he can't be stopped. Return to the ring. 4. He heads outside. Countouts legal in this match. 1. Fancy there. 2. Took off the announce table. Sound intention to the ring here. Should get in front of me. No. He gets back into the ring. 4. Out of the ring. What's his plan here? 1. Hammerlock wrenched in. Damn it, to the arm. And the unabated offense continues. Yeah, he's always one counter away from changing things. Oh, powering. 5. He's looking shaky and pissed now. Not what you want to see by any means. He'll head to the ring. There's some power behind that punch. He continues to press forward. Yeah, he's showing no signs of ending this assault. And again. Oh, this is not good at all. The pendulum backbreaker stretch. Thanks for time. This one's done. 2, 3. It's over. Nice work. Here is your winner, Virgil King. No other way to put it, guys. That was kind of a butt kicking. That's what they call it, light work, Cole. Barely even broke a sweat.